Hi! In this video, we'll talk about how to watch Big Brother UK in 2025 from anywhere in the world. So, Big Brother UK airs on ITV1 and streams on ITVX. ITV's official platform is this. However, it's restricted to UK only. So, to access it in US or anywhere in the world, you'll need to use a VPN to simulate a UK location. So I actually recommend you to use ExpressVPN, NordVPN, or any VPN that you have available. So you can just search for VPN providers, and you can see in here Proton VPN, Urban, Nord, Turbo, as well as a lot more. For this case, I'll head over and use my Windscribe. I have in here signed up. Just need to click onto the locations menu of the VPN that you have. You can search for this right here and search in here for UK. Other thing, you can also search for United Kingdom if you can't find it, so you can head over and search it here for that as well. Now, it should be able to show you in here some suggestions. Here, I am actually already connected to London and Crumpet. Once you're done with that, you just need to head over to the website of itv.com, reload that particular site, and then once you have reloaded it, you will be prompted to either sign up or log in. So it's just really easy. You just need to input your username and your password in order to sign up. For me, I've already signed up onto their account, but if you don't have signed up yet, just head over and sign up. From in there, click onto the search bar, and then from in there, search in here for Big Brother. Now, in here, you can see this Big Brother as well as Celebrity Big Brother. So, these are actually UK shows, and you can just head over and click on them in order to watch them right here. Head over and click on the display bar in order to play this. So, that's how you actually watch Big Brother UK in 2025 from anywhere in the world. Hope we helped.